We continue now at the top of Daf Kuf Bezim and Bezim Meseches Pesachim. This is Pesachim Daf 102b. Rabbi Yossi here continues his statement. Again, Rabbi Yossi says if you started a meal, let's say Erev Shabbos, and then Shabbos comes, you're allowed to continue eating the meal. And Rabbi Yossi continues, Gomru, when they finish the meal, Kos Rishon Mevarech Ala Birchas HaMazon. So the first cup of wine that they bring, they say benching, they say Birchas HaMazon, they finish that meal up. V'asheni Omer Alav Kedushas Hayom. And then in the second cup, they say Kedushas Hayom. And the Rashbam over here says, Rabbi Yossi Kamar Lav Ribuso, there's a Chiddush. Sheino Tzarech Lekadesh Miyad, you don't need to say Kiddush right away. Ela Yigmor Suda, so finish the meal. V'yavorech Birchas HaMazon, bench, v'achar kach Kaddish, then you can make Kiddush. Umiyu, says the Rashbam, nevertheless, in Paras Map of a Kiddush, if you would, in the middle of the meal, spread over a cloth and make Kiddush, Mod Rabbi Yossi, the Chol Shekain, the Shapir Tzvei. Rabbi Yossi would admit that certainly this is better. Dilote Mach, if you don't say that, Ela Davka Kamar Rabbi Yossi, that Rabbi Yossi is saying you must do it this way. Rishon Mevarech Ala Birchas HaMazon, that the first one must be benching. Imkain Shmuel Da'amar Keman. If that's the case, then Shmuel earlier on in the parak, who was he following? This is the same point that Rashbam made earlier, that Shmuel is following really Rabbi Yossi's opinion, but just adding a little chumrah that you should be Pores Mapa V'Kidesh. Even Rabbi Yossi would agree to that point according to the Rashbam's position. But the Gemara says, Amai, why is it that you're going to bring one cup and bench and then a second cup and say Kiddush? V'neimrinu l'travayo achad akasa, just do both on the same cup of wine. Bring a cup of wine, bench on it, and say Kiddush on it. And the Gemara says, Amar Rav Huna, Amar Rav Sheshes. Rav Huna says in the name of Rav Sheshes, Ein omrim shtei kedushos al kos echad. You can't say two kedushos on one cup. My time, what's the reason? Amar Rav Nachman bar Yitzchak. Rav Nachman bar Yitzchak says, Lefi she'ein osin mitzvahs chavilas, because we don't do mitzvahs in bundles. So the Gemara says, is that really true? Velo, is that really true that you're not allowed to do mitzvahs in bundles in this fashion? V'atanya, but we learned in a brayso, hanichnas lebeso b'matzoi Shabbos. Let's say somebody enters his house on Motzei Shabbos. Mevarech al hayayin v'ala ma'or v'ala besamim. Person makes a bracha on wine, makes a bracha on the fire, makes a bracha on the besamim. V'achar kach omer havdalah ala kos. And then he says havdalah on over the cup of wine. V'yimein lo ala kos echad. And then it said that if he only has one cup, meinicho la'achar hamazon, he leaves the cup for after the meal. U'mishal shalom kulan la'acharav. And then he does all of them on this one cup, meaning the same cup that he's using for benching, he's going to use for the bracha on Havdalah for Motzei Shabbos. And the Rashbam over here says, Mishal Shalon, Loshen Shalsheles, like a chain, Shemechabram Yachad and Birchas HaMazon. Chain them all together to Birchas HaMazon. Alma Amrinan Shtei Brachas Al Kosechad, Havdalah Birchas HaMazon. You see, you do two brachas on one cup, very similar to our case. Here you're doing Havdalah and Birchas HaMazon. So why can't you do the same thing over here? Why can't you do Birchas HaMazon and Kedushas Hayom? It should not be any different. And so the Gemara answers, Ein lo shani. The Gemara says it's different when the person doesn't have any wine. If the person only has enough wine for one cup, so then obviously we're going to allow it, but in general that's not allowed. Gemara says, is that really true? What about a situation where Yontif falls out right after Shabbos? The Islay, because there in that situation he does have enough to have two cups, but we don't do two cups. V'yama Rav Yakna. Rav says instead what you do is you do Yayin, Kiddush, Ner, Havdalah, meaning on the same cup you're making Kiddush and Havdalah. So the Gemara answers, Amri, they say the following answer. Midelo Amar's man, from the fact that in this particular case Rav doesn't have a Zayin in there, it's not like Yakna has, you don't have the Zman, you don't have Shechiyanu. Michlal de Vishvi shel Pesach Askinon. That implies that the case over here of Yontif falling out after Shabbos is actually the seventh day of Pesach. Seventh day of Pesach is an example of a day of Yontif that can fall out after Shabbos where there's no Shechiyanu. And in that case, if it's already the seventh day of Pesach, it's very possible that everything that he had, he already ate. The Leslie he doesn't have. This is exactly a case of Leslie. It's exactly a case of Einlo, where he doesn't have a second cup of wine, and that's why, in this case, he's making Kiddush and Havdalah on the same cup of wine. But the Gemara says, still we have a question. Yontiv Rishon, what about Yontiv Rishon? What about on the first day of Pesach? Let's say that falls out on Motzei Shabbos. The Islay, so in that case, he certainly has wine. V'yamar Abai, and Abai says Yak Zana. The way you do it is Yayin, then Kiddush, then Zman, then Ner, then Havdalah. Again, you're making Kiddush and Havdalah on the same cup. V'Rava Amar Yak Nahaz, and Rava says the order is Yak Nahaz. You say the bracha on the Yayin first, then you do Kiddush, then Ner, then Havdalah, then Zman. But again, in any case, you're doing Havdalah and Kiddush on the same cup of wine. And so, and there in that case, you do have wine. So what's going on? What about the issue of Einos and Mitzvahs Chavilas? So the Gemara answers, Ela Havdalah v'Kiddush Chadam Milsi. The answer is that in these cases, you're making Havdalah and Kiddush on the same cup. That's fine, because that's all one thing. The idea of Havdalah and Kiddush, it's all the same idea. You're making some kind of separation between one level of holiness and another, and that's the same thing by Kiddush. You're introducing another level of holiness. But Birchas Hamazon v'Kiddush trei milininu. But when it comes to Birchas Hamazon and Kiddush, those are two separate things. When it's two separate things, to use one cup is a problem of doing mitzvahs chavilas. The Rashbam says, Kiddusha v'Havdalah chodemilsi travayim mishum Kiddusha yamim tovim ninu. It's all about the Kiddush of Yom Tov. Uv'Havdalah atzma hu mazkir Kiddushas Yom Tov. Even in Havdalah, you're mentioning the Kiddush of Yom Tov. The Hamavdil ben Kodesh l'Kodesh mevarach. The brach is Hamavdil ben Kodesh l'Kodesh. So again, that's why it's not a problem. And the Gemara continues at the two dots. Gufa, returning to what we just addressed. Yom Tov shechol lios achar Shabbos. Again, Yom Tov falls out after Shabbos. Rav amar yakna, u'Shmuel amar yanhak. Rav says you do yayin Kiddush ner Havdalah. Shmuel says it's yayin ner Havdalah Kiddush. And we'll continue with this discussion in the next video on Daf Kuf Gimel Amud Aleph.